I didn't know what the heck this was, and then doing reading, I realized this is really important. I don't know if you could see right there. I've got the yellow zip tie of death, but it's done its job. But yeah, I'm going to change it out. Motorcycle stand. A bunch of crap on the threads, but yeah, they don't feel good. It feels, unless it's Loctite. Might be Loctite. Oh, yep. So what I was feeling was a tactile thing. Just something you get with experience. I knew there was something wrong and got everything loose. Gonna keep the shocks on for right now, but this is where the magic happens. Start lowering this. Listen for sounds. Probably from my my rafters. Sometimes you hear a little cracking sound. There we go. We got clearance. Way more easier to take off. Feels like I do with one hand. Oh yeah. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna drop this down, give me a little clearance. Look how nice this is. Just a little tap, you don't have to go too crazy. I got clearance. Trying to save the zip tie. The famous orange zip tie. Just get an X-Acto blade in there. Probably shouldn't be doing it next to the Honest². It's probably a stupid thing to do. Voila. I just got this bike a week ago, and I didn't know what the heck this part was, and after reading up, I'm like, oh my god, I got that. I've got the twist tie, and then I looked, I could have sworn I seen this, and sure enough, I had it. But that's it, man. Pretty simple. It's got the clearance I need. It's got the clearance I need. Awesome. And scary. Cool. It's time to zip her up. Lifting up the rack. Okay. Watch over here. I got something binding. Oops. A whole damn bike binding. This is my first time, so I don't know if there's any tricks. I got it in there. Gotta put the torque arms. I got some beefy torque arms. Debating about putting them in there right now. Cool. Right here. That's the clearance I need. And let me see. And there's that spacer. This is for the first generation Onyx. Yeah. I'm having so much fun, man. I have no directions here. Just the forums, and find liberally some red Loctite. Okay, I'm trying to center this wheel. I had to loosen up the brake. Got to make an adjustment on there. That's it. I just put a little line there just so I can make sure it doesn't back off. So I really want to keep my eye on this.